Yes, ready, start. This type of Commonwealth Games has never been held in the past and never will be held in future. A sports minister in UPA 1 has given a very serious statement. He was perhaps first such sports minister who was not concerned with sports. We read many statements from him in daily newspapers. He said that the people organizing these games are devils. He said that these games are nothing but loot. The honorable members from the opposition raised the issue of diversion of special provision funds for SC/ST. I would like to know from the government as to who will reply to these questions. The sports minister says that his responsibility is limited to construction of stadium. The government of Delhi says that they are limited to creating infrastructure. The sports minister in UPA 1 has stated that India is spending the half of rupees 70,000 crores on Commonwealth Games kept for loan waiver of 40 crore families of farmers in order to boost its international image. I would like to have a reply from the government about the truth in this statement. One day, a television channel revealed about the CVC report. In this report, it was stated that irregularities to the tune of crores of rupees have been committed by the various departments of the central government, the state government, and the DDA within 24 hours. A letter regarding irregularities committed by the organizing committee in the baton relay was given to another news channel. This is my serious charge and I want a reply from the government. The Officials Secrets Act has been violated. This report within 24 hours was broken in order to hide the irregularities reported by the CVC. The person responsible for this lapse who has committed this gross irregularity should immediately be punished. The price of an item of rupees 1 has been tendered for a price 10 times higher. It is a very serious report from the CVC. There is not a single agency on which allegation has not been leveled. It has a mention about the DDA as well as which is directly under the Lieutenant Governor. A minimum of 50% quality assurance was not there in the work. Who is responsible for all these irregularities mentioned in the CVC report? Stop.